I awake this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smile, but when I read the card, teardrops fill my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another. And it's never crossed my mind you'll be untrue. So today as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone. And you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. You couldn't tell that yellow roses mean you love someone forever. And did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray and throw our love away? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you have found another. And it's never crossed my mind you'll be untrue. So today, 'cause I lay sleeping, left me here alone. And you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Yes, you said goodbye with a single yellow rose.